Hello, my name's Brett Ellis and welcome to expertcrypto.co.uk. Okay, so in December, when the Bitcoin dollar spread was trading around 51,000, I called it down to 30,000, possibly even 28. A lot of people at the time thought that's not going to happen. I also, at the start of April, when it was trading at 45,000, around 45,000, reiterated the call, and again, people kind of were a bit dubious about that. Today, Bitcoin is trading just under 30,000. The Bitcoin dollar spread is trading just under 30,000. So calling the bottom was always an estimate. And actually, we traded as low as 25,500 on the 12th of May until we saw a huge turnaround doji bar, long-legged doji bar. Okay, it can be seen as indecision. Usually that chart pattern can be seen as a market reversal, but to me it looks like there's a lot of indecision in the market, not necessarily a turnaround. Why is this? Because we have a critical mass of unprecedented events and we're living in a time of real uncertainty. And the reasons for that are, obviously, we've got the war in Ukraine. We've got the fuel price hikes. We've got the cost of living crisis. I've had to write all these down because there's just so many issues that are causing problems at the moment. Regulators and banks are fighting in territories around the world to beat back crypto. It's pretty similar to Uber and black cabs in London a few years ago. The new kids on the block are really kind of upsetting the apple cart. Okay, we've also got increased freight costs, we've got rampant inflation at the moment, and we have got the increasing likelihood of a worldwide recession as well. So hence, most traders are tempted by bear market fishing. So what that means is they're trying to find the bottom. Okay, and when the market is this unpredictable, it's very, very hard to find the bottom. Okay, so we're kind of in a stage of bear market psychology, and there's 5 different reasons for that, or 5 different stages for that. Firstly, we've got denial, where investors are kind of in denial that they're wrong. So, you know, obviously they've gone long in their positions, it's dropped, and, you know, they're kind of in the mindset that they could not be wrong. Secondly, we have anger, that the markets are suddenly treating them like that and they're getting smashed around the park. We then have the bargaining stage, where investors look to cut costs elsewhere so they can basically leave their money in failing crypto. We then have depression as well, which comes as reality sets in and they realise they should have jumped ship a long time ago, before acceptance. So that's kind of where we are now. After such massive drops, a lot of traders are thinking, what the hell, nothing else matters. We're either going to give up and not trade again, or we're just going to throw absolutely everything at the moment and hope for the best, which really isn't a good strategy at all. Okay. However, there are ways to be successful even in a rapidly declining market, and that is by going short and shorting the market. Okay, so in effect, as you probably know, it basically means selling the crypto asset, hoping the price will drop, and then buying it back and getting out for a profit. Okay, and this is where Expert Crypto comes in. Okay, by subscribing and following our expert analysis and advice, you can profit both in falling and in rising markets as well. Okay, and for little investment, you can reap huge rewards, especially when we've had the drops that we've had over the last few months. Okay, as for the Bitcoin dollar analysis, it's very hard to call at the moment due to the unpredictability. However, to put my neck on the block, I am going to predict the following. Okay, so I expect the Bitcoin dollar to move into consolidation, sideways trend if you like, and range between 28,000 and 31,000 between the next couple of weeks. Okay, so over the next couple of weeks, up until kind of the end of May, I don't see any major shocks to the system, and I see it trading in a sideways range between 28 and 31,000. Not very exciting. Can't see huge gains or losses being made. However, I would be looking to buy anywhere between 28,000 and 28,500. Put a stop in at 27,800 and a limit of 31,000. I would then be looking to come in the other side of the market and short it at 31,000 with a limit at 28,500 and a stop at 32,000. Hopefully you're going to have to pause this video and go back and get the numbers that I just quoted at you. But in effect, what I'm saying is I believe we're going to really range between 28 and 31,000 for the next couple of weeks. Obviously, after that, we'll be looking for turnaround and breakout bars, and I will post another video once they start coming to fruition. Until now, thank you for watching. You are watching Expert Crypto. My name is Brett Ellis. Have a great weekend.